And good day, bloody dickheads. Hang on. Where's my glasses? I'm blind. Alright. Okay. That's better. I can see now. So today, basically, I am going to test out this RTG tank that came with the vaporesso kit because I stayed away from it after testing out the unit. I'll get back to you in another video, but today we're going to test out this. Now, straight out of the box, it comes pre-installed. So basically, I am going to prime it and put some e-juice in there and test it. So basically, what I'm going to do is, you see these 4 little holes there? Well, basically, I am not going to put any flavoring in there. Instead, I'm just going to put a 70-30 PG VG mix in there, and then I'm gonna put, after I've done that, then I'm gonna put flavors in there. So basically, I've already mixed the sample there, and I am just gonna coat these coat heads right there. Give it a nice low soaking. Soak the sides there. So now that I've soaked the insides and all the side walls with my little mixture, put that onto the top assembly. Put it on tight there. Just making sure the this bottom air hose here is shut off so it doesn't leak when I put some juices in there. So putting juices in there right now, so the top bit slides out. Where's the release function? There it is. See, it's marked release function right there. And filling this is gonna be a pain in the ass because you need these nozzle juices like that. Today I'm just gonna put just a bit of Irish cream. I'm not gonna fill it up fully, but I'm just gonna put a little bit in there. Just test it. That'll work. So you can see I just put just a little bit just to coat up the white parts where it draws the juice into the bottom assembly area there. So put the top cap on. Okay, now where's my unit? Grabbing my unit. Putting on there, so make sure that unit, yeah, that is on. You'll say new load, so you tap that button there for saying new load. And I have got this in CCW mode, which is a custom power mode. to this unit. Open up the air holes, and let's take a toot. Okay, let's change functions now to variable wattage, if I can get there. Variable wattage mode, variable wattage at 55 watts, lock it. Yeah, not bad of a flavor. Yeah, not bad at all for a pre-built assembly unit. But you know, I'm more like a rebuildable unit guy. So basically, yeah, with my other Griffin R25 Plus, so the juice holes are open. There we go. Pull in some juice. It does whistle. And the flavor is different from a pre-assembled tank to a rebuildable tank, and I'll discuss this in another topic, but today this was a pre-test on the RGT tank that came with the unit. I'm not a big fan of the coil heads, because for one, when you buy a pack of 5, it's gonna run you what, I have to check the price on some of it, but it will run you $20 to $30, not including shipping in Australia, for these coil heads. And if you're running like sweeter juices in that pre-built tank, they're not gonna last as long as a rebuildable unit. So yeah, but as a package, it is not too bad, for like a starter kit for a package. But that's all I have to say for this. Thanks for watching.